So I'm headed out to the river. We're supposed to have some bad weather moving in tonight, and it's pretty windy right now. We got like 17-20 mile an hour winds. So I'm not going to take the boat out, but I'm going to go over to the dock real quick and see if I can catch some fish. Beautiful out here. Got a few clouds in the sky. Right now it's about 50 degrees. And look at that blue sky. Wow. I tell you. So I got one right out here with a little jig and a worm. And no luck yet. But I had to get out here today. We're going to get out in the boat here this weekend though. Okay, so I put a line out with a worm on it, and so I guess you call that getting skunked. Well, I still got a bunch of worm left, so call it another fishing trip. It ain't over till it's over. That's what you call persistence. You just keep going and going and going. See, you never know what you might get.